Hey, I'm Jay Clifton, and I'll be showing how to implement and observe recommended radiographic safety measures and standard radiographic procedures. So, I'm going to put on my lead gown. And then my thyroid shield. And then we have our lead gloves. I actually need to take these off to put my decimeter badge. So I'm going to place that right here. And then put my gloves back on. Alright, so this is our radiation safety gear. So I'm going to take these back off. Alright, so here I'm just going to show this up close. This is my decimetry badge. And then, so for positioning aids, we use wedges for them to, we call it a boat ride. They go on a boat ride. But you can use it to put them on their back so they're more comfortable and they're easier to position. And we also use tape for positioning, like for mouth. For like head x-rays, we'll put it on the mouth and you can stay out of the view of the primary beam. Okay, so when measuring the anatomy, you'll go by the centimeters that are on here and you'll just measure, say it's the abdomen, you'll measure it that way. You'll put it around the abdomen and measure it to the closest as possible. And then once you get that measurement, so our machine, we just put in the centimeters. So say we're doing the thorax, a canine lateral thorax. So we would put in, say the dog is 17 centimeters. So it just automatically changes it for us on our machine. So that's how we set our KVPs and MAs. So to collimate primary beam. So let's just say we're doing the abdomen and it's in there, so we're gonna collimate down for the abdomen and make it small enough where it's just the abdomen and not the rest of the dog, and it collimates down to smallest as possible. Right. Okay, so now we have our direction markers. So we have our left and our right one. And you're going to want to put that on the patient, whether it's the right one or the left one, on whatever side that you need marked. You'll place that on the right side. Okay, so now I'm going to show how our films are placed. So I already have this one pulled up. So this is the one that's pulled up and it shows, if you press on it, all their information's already in there, and they have their account number, the name, the patient's name, the owner's name, their birthday, their sex, the study description, which is the chest and abdomen. And then, so for this, you would know the name of the patient and their birthday on the actual x-ray that was taken, and then it also shows who took it. And then for the markings, so we already have our physical marker that we took with it, but we can also add digital markers. So here's our R, and you can put those on there too, and those are the digital markers. Okay, so this is how we would prepare the x-rays for the doctor to come in and look at, and they can press on the screen for the other views. And this is, well, to log it, all their information's already in the computer, so once you're done looking at it, you just close study, and that saves it, and you can go back and look at it or search the person for the x-rays. All right, and that is how you implement and observe recommended radiographic safety measures and standard radiographic procedures.